What's up, guys? We back again with another one. Today we got a Dodge Ram 4th gen. We're gonna be doing a sunroof install on it. I actually already started on it. Almost forgot to do an intro. We're filming the truck. I just got it right away and I want to knock it out so I could return it back to the customer. But let's check it out. 4th gen, I believe 4th gen Dodge Ram. This thing's clean. Like I said, I already started on it. Did the body work on top. You can see body work's done. I'm gonna go ahead and install the sunroof. I'm gonna wire it up so I can open it and then install in the drains. Once I install the drains, I'm gonna put the headliner in, make sure everything is working, and then cut the headliner, wrap it, and we'll be almost done with it. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the sunroof installed now, and then we'll go ahead and wire it up, install the drains, open it up, put the third brake light on, and then go from there. Alright, I'll kick you guys back on once it's wired up, installed, and opened up. Alright guys, we got the sunroof installed. Got it all wired up. We got the drains, all four corners. Now it's time to put the headliner in. We'll wrap it, cut it out to this opening here so we get a nice good OEM look, and then wrap it. We'll cut it first, put it in here, cut it, and then we'll go in there and wrap it with the new fabric, black fabric, and then we'll install it, put it back together. Should be ready to roll. Alright guys, we're gonna go with the blue suede on this truck, on the Dodge Ram. It's gonna look good. It's gonna make the headliner really pop. Blue suede. I'm gonna start wrapping it, spray some glue on it, wrap it, install it, cut it out, install all the plastics back on. We are not gonna be painting any of the plastics. We're gonna leave everything the way it is. Alright guys, it's all wrapped up, ready to install. This blue's nice. I like this blue. Stands out, it's real bright. Alright, let's install it. Put all the clips back on, visors, everything back on. Looks like we're gonna get some rain, so I gotta hurry up. Alright. Alright guys, this is it. Final stage, 100%. Everything is complete. This truck is badass, it's clean. This is kind of my style right here with the bigger wheels. I believe it's got 24s. But this is the kind of truck I would rock. Lowered on big wheels. But that's it. Let's check it out.